There's one of the groups next to the carbocation that has one of the ring positions, another one of the ring positions, and a methyl group attached to it. So if it goes from there, it's going to have to move a carbon-carbon bond, which is fine. The other position has all H's. Of course, there is already an H on the center position where the carbocation charge is. Okay, now what could we move? Should we move one of the blue H's? No, why not?
So it gives the same. It will give us a primary.
The blue is a primary. If you move that, you get a primary carbocation, which is worse. You want to move one from the other side. Now, if you moved the methyl group, you would have a what cation?
Tertiary.
You'd have a tertiary cation. You could draw it this way. This is the red methyl group. Now is on the middle. And the plus charge is over here. So this is tertiary. And we started with secondary, so that would be worthwhile considering. What else could you do? Move one side of the ring, right? So if I did it instead of that, I did it this way. Now this is going to be tricky to draw, but I'm just going to start out drawing it exactly as I had above, and then I'll worry about making it fancy. My methyl is still here. I have a position up here. Then I have a position there. I'm going to be making a connection between this one and this one. And when I do that, the carbon I am breaking the electron pair away from is the carbon right here. Do you see? So the carbon that gets the plus is right there. I can redraw that once I see what I've got. I have a 6-membered ring. And on one position that has the plus is a methyl. And on the next position is another methyl. So I've just redrawn it here. Which would be preferable? They're both tertiary. Which do you think would be predominant? The second one, most likely. Because now we have a 6-membered ring as a carbocation instead of a 5-membered ring as a carbocation, and 6-membered rings are a little more stable. So it may not be that you get all of one of these, the most stable one. You might get a mixture, but we can evaluate what we think is going to be the major.